If you use Cash App and have a Cash Card, you might be wondering how to actually use it at an ATM. Well, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, including what you can do, what you can't do, and how to add money the right way. First things first, you cannot deposit cash into your Cash App at an ATM. That feature simply doesn't exist yet, but there's good news. You can withdraw money at any ATM using your Cash Card, just like a regular debit card. Simply insert your card, enter your PIN, and choose how much cash you want to take out. Keep in mind that Cash App charges a $2.50 fee per withdrawal, plus whatever fee the ATM owner charges. But if you receive $300 or more in direct deposits each month, Cash App will actually reimburse those ATM fees. Now, what if you want to add money to your Cash App balance? You'll need to do that at a participating store, not at an ATM. Open your Cash App, tap the Banking tab, then tap Paper Money. You'll see a map of nearby locations like Walmart, Walgreens, 7-Eleven, or Family Dollar. Once you get there, tap Show Barcode in the app and hand it to the cashier. They'll scan it, take your cash, and within seconds, your balance will update. There is a $1 fee per deposit, and you can load between $5 and $500 per transaction, up to $1,000 per week. So, to recap, a TM equals withdrawals only, not deposits. For adding money, use the Paper Money feature in the app, or simply link a bank account for free transfers and no extra fees. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to use your Cash Card at an ATM and how to add money to your account the right way. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more quick Cash App tips, and check the description for extra resources and guides.